Are you looking for a beautiful single-story ranch home here in the southwest side of Las Vegas that has 4-car garage and a next-gen suite? Well, don't go anywhere, guys, because behind me, we're going to be touring the Eleanor floor plan, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So today is April 13th, 2025, and today we're gonna be touring Consenza by Lennar, which is a single-story community here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the southwest side of Las Vegas, the nearest cross street is going to be Blue Diamond and Rainbow. Okay, so southwest is a great area, highly desired. We're going to have like easy access to the freeway. Like on this Rainbow Street, there's going to be plenty of good restaurants, some shopping, some stores. We're also close to Blue Diamond as well, so there's like a Target over there and more restaurants. So the southwest is definitely a great area. Now, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they offer 3 different floor plans here, okay? They offer all single story. They're gonna offer the Evan, the Eleanor, and the Williams. Now, these are single story homes that they're gonna range from about 2488 square feet all the way up to 3776 square feet, okay? Now, guys, I have the base prices on the screen for you guys, but just so you know, with the base price, you have to add the lot premium and the upgrades, okay? Now, here at Lennar, I want to say that, so they're a spec builder, right? So most of the homes that they're going to be building out here, they're going to be picking out all the options. But if you want to pick out some of the options, you just have to get into a lot that doesn't close for about a couple of months, because then you may be able to choose like flooring and cabinets and whatnot. But if you want the best deal, definitely go with a move-in ready home or a quick move-in, because there is definitely some wiggle room, okay? So for example, from the base prices that you guys see on the screen, they have like a move-in ready for the Eleanor. It's priced at 1.2 million. They've done a price reduction, so it's 1.15. Now, they also have a William floor plan. After everything, upgrades, lot premiums, it's priced at 1.25. It's been reduced to 1.17. okay? This community is fairly small, guys. There's about 27 homes in this community. 3 of them have sold so far. And I forgot to mention the smallest floor plan, the Evan, that's the only one with an RV garage. So if an RV garage is important to you, then get the Evan. Out of the 27 homes, 8 of those lots are gonna be for the Evan floor plans, which is gonna be the RV garages. And the other ones are the 19 of them are gonna be for the Eleanor and the William, okay? The HOA here is $140 a month. To be honest with you, there's not that much amenities out here. So the HOA just pretty much covers like the outdoor, the maintenance, the upkeep of the neighborhood itself, okay? But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Let's get started with this tour. All right, welcome to the Eleanor floor plan. Now the Eleanor floor plan is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3,565 square feet. As you can see, it is a 4-car garage and it has a next-gen suite, okay? Now the base price as of today is $1,129,990. They do have a move-in ready. They did a price reduction on it. So the new price is like $1,158,775. So it's actually not that far off from the base price, okay? Now, desert landscaping will be included, paver driveway. Yeah, I'm excited to show you guys this house. I just stepped inside, beautiful home. So yeah, let's take a look. So we have this 8-foot door right here. We got the double door. Okay, so as soon as you walk in, you'll notice the 10-foot ceilings. So it definitely feels really spacious. even this hallway right here, it's very wide, okay? And I know it might be hard to tell on camera. Cool, so we'll go ahead and start off to the right. Now we're gonna have 2 bedrooms right over here, okay? So we're gonna go ahead over here. This is the first guest bedroom. As you can see, the room is pretty spacious because you have 2 full-size beds here. Okay, you have that nice large window in the middle. And then this is gonna share a Jack and Jill bath. This will also have a walk-in closet. Okay. Now the light that you see up top, that is, you could switch that out for a ceiling fan light. Okay, so we got 2 sinks here, upgraded cabinets, okay, nice upgraded flooring as well. So right here, you're gonna have the door. Got your shower tub combo, okay, fiberglass. You also have your toilet, nice window in there to allow for some natural light. Now this is gonna be the other guest bedroom. This bedroom is gonna be a bit smaller, okay, as you can see, this is a full-size bed. I definitely love the 10-foot ceilings. Opens up everything. Now guys, if you're watching this video and you're interested in new construction communities and you're thinking about visiting for the very first time one of these communities, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit. If you're working with a realtor, that's okay. Just make sure they go with you on your very first visit. Don't go by yourself, guys, because the second you go by yourself, usually when you get to the sales office, they're gonna ask you for your phone, your number, your email. Once you give that to them, they're gonna jot you down in their system as having no representation. And then at that point, it's gonna be hard for you to get some representation. The reason why that's important is because the builder agents look after the builder's best interest and we look after your best interest. So, definitely important to get yourself some representation. Okay, so we got the washer and dryer here. As you can see, the washer and dryer is optional, okay? Usually not included. But again, if you're going with move-in ready homes, like a quick move-in, which I think most of this whole community is, I think leaning more towards just spec homes, then I mean we could definitely negotiate for sure. There's definitely wiggle room to the purchase price and other things as well. So if interested, give me a call, guys. I'll make sure you guys get the best deal. So welcome in. Nice open layout here. Plenty of cabinets. Look how long this kitchen island is. Okay, so you got your dining room over there. You're going to have your living room right here. Okay, beautiful slider. Okay, stackable slider. Now that over there is you're gonna have your Next-Gen suite. Okay, right there you're gonna have your pantry, and then large pantry that you'll have the door to your 4-car garage. All right, so over here, we're gonna have the primary bedroom. Take a look, very spacious. Okay, that's a king size bed, but look how much room you have in the sides. Cool. Also, check out the backyard. The thing that's cool about this floor plan, as you can see, you have a door from the Next-Gen suite that accesses your backyard as well as a stackable slider. But yeah, plenty of space in the backyard. See, I love this. So you can see right here, this entryway to get to your primary bath is really wide. Usually it's a little bit more narrow, right? But this is a really wide entry. So you have his and her sinks, freestanding tub. Okay, you're gonna have your toilet room, your walk-in shower. Check out the beautiful tile surround. Look, massive walk-in closet. Better look. So, definitely feels very open. Let's check out this kitchen. So over here, you're gonna have your jumper duct, okay? Helps regulate the airflow. It comes out to right about here. That just prevents, doors from shutting if there's any wind inside. You'll have smoke and CO2 detectors in the hallway, smoke detectors in the bedrooms. What's also nice too, this community, you have the monogram appliance package. So everything that you see here, that is included, okay? Love these cabinets. So right here, we do have like upgraded quartz. Okay. So we got the stainless steel under basin sink. Okay, and this brown color is getting really popular. Also here, this is the monogram refrigerator. Okay, so let's check out your pantry. So you have your pantry right here. A lot of space. This is gonna be like this is included as well. It's gonna come with your, you connect that with your security system. Now the door is locked to the garage. I wish I could show you guys, but it is a 4-car garage. You have a tankless water heater. Here, let me see what else. I got the information right here. You got a pre-wire for the car charger. You're also gonna have a barbecue stub. Okay, soft water loop, tankless water heater. Great dining room area. All right, so welcome to the Next-Gen suite. Now guys, if you're unfamiliar with what a Next-Gen suite is, it's like a separate living area away from the main house, but it's perfect for guests or if you live with your in-laws or if you want to rent out this certain section, because once we're in the Next-Gen suite, it has its own living room. Look, half kitchen, right? You're gonna have your bathroom as well, primary bedroom, your own entry door, so you don't have to use the front door. Okay, like the bedroom here for the Next-Gen suite this could be a primary bedroom in itself. Okay, again, look, really great sized backyard. Okay, so you have a walk-in closet. You have your own full bath. Okay, so stack washer and dryer. So this makes it really convenient. You don't have to use the laundry room that everyone else uses if you're staying in the Next-Gen suite. Okay, we got the single sink, walk-in shower. Okay, let's see if we could open this door right here. Oh, nice, see? See, with the Next-Gen suite, you have your own entry door, and then you could also access the garage from right here, okay? So you have your side gate as well. So yeah, Next-Gen suite, great place if you have guests. They could stay right in here. But yeah, guys, that pretty much wraps it up for the Eleanor floor plan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, if you guys have any questions, or if you're just looking for if you're looking to work with a realtor who's very familiar with new construction homes, who's been through the process many times, has great relationships with the builder agents, guys, again, my info is going to be in the description below. So but thank you so much for watching the video, and I will catch you guys on the next one.